Oh, Bangkok. Babe, I love you, but you drive me nuts sometimes. You throw gridlock tantrums out of nowhere, no matter what time of the day. You're sloppy and forget to tidy up your streets, and so they look like wartime Baghdad. And you never consult with me whenever you want to cut down another one of my beloved trees and replace it with yet another addition to your lame shopping mall collection. I know. When you live with someone this long, it's easy to focus on the negatives and lose sight of why you fell in love with them in the first place. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the best in Bangkok and take you on a virtual tour of condos that are among the most romantic in Bangkok. And for each of these condos, I'm going to give you a sample date that you can do in the area that is obviously conducive to going back to your place, of course. And I'm going to range these condos by affordable to, well, obscenely luxurious. So sit back and enjoy. Now you can't talk about romance in Bangkok without mentioning the Riverside. And that's why the first condo on this romantic list is none other than the River by Raimond land. The condo was built in 2009, but it's still on the tip of everyone's tongue because of its unrivaled view and the fact that it is so well maintained. To make matters even better for this condo, the new BTS Gold Line runs through this condo, and it is a 10-minute walk to the new iconic Icon Siam Mall. The river even has its own branded boat shuttle service that connects you to some of the most romantic destinations along the river. Facilities-wise, it's got a multi-purpose sports court, 3 swimming pools, and up to 120 meters of real estate that's right on the riverfront. And in this video, we're going to do a virtual tour of a 54 square meter 1-bedroom that's going for 7.9 million baht. That gives it a price per square meter of around 144,000 baht, making it one of the most affordable condos by the Riverside. So without further ado, let's have a look at the 3D walkthrough. So when you walk in here, to the left is a full dedicated kitchen area with lots of closet space here. I'm not really a big fan of this weird partition here. It kind of makes it seem a little cramped, this area. You've got this counter here, and then you've got a dedicated place for your dining table. You got a living room. Let's step out to the balcony and see the view. Great, so you've got a beautiful unobstructed view of the riverside, and that is Sapan Taksin Bridge. Now, what's great about being located this close to the bridge is that you can't build any more condos closer to this bridge. So the view that you're going to see here is the view that is here to stay. That is fantastic. And this view is also the same view that you're going to get in the bedroom here. The same view there. Very nice bedroom there. One issue I take about the bedroom is that this weird yellow wood tiling here and this closet here kind of reminds me of walking into a sauna. Yeah, that's just me nitpicking. Let's look at the bathroom here. Okay, you've got a nice 4-piece bathroom with a bathtub. Looks very clean, very well maintained. And here is your Riverside date itinerary. You first meet your date at Icon Siam. Maybe get a coffee at the largest Starbucks in Thailand. It's also the only Starbucks in Thailand that serves alcohol. After walking around and seeing the water fountain show at the sunset, you hop on a boat to the Mandarin Oriental. You walk them through the world-famous Author's Lounge and perhaps get a pastry. You then take them to Bamboo Bar, where they play some of the best jazz music in Bangkok. Now, pro tip, try to get a seat over at the very back or in the secluded cigar lounge so that you two can get very intimate. Now, if you want to continue the night, you can head over to Tropic City that has award-winning cocktails and DJs, or if you just want to have a nightcap, board on a boat and head back to your place. Dating here is that simple, my friend. Next, I'm going to take you inland to Ploenchit BTS, where one of the exits connects you directly to the condo Noble Ploenchit, which is the second romantic condo on this list. In my opinion, while most condos out there look like cookie-cutter boxes, Noble Ploenchit really doubled down on this less is more concept, inspired by the vertical garden city designs by Swiss-French architect Le Corbusier. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. You see modernist lines crisscrossing throughout the project, including in its communal pool, second floor gym, and garden area. Now let's tour a 56 square meter one bedroom for 16.3 million baht, giving it a price per square meter of 292,000 baht per square meter. Yes, that is pretty much double the price of the river, but that's what you need to pay to be in this area. So without further ado, let's have a look at a virtual tour of this space. One very unique thing about Noble Ploenchit is that all the units have access to a private elevator. So you get out of the elevator and you're pretty much at your space here. You got this foyer area to put your stuff, and then you walk into here. To the left is your kitchen. To the right is some closet space, some countertop space here, and you've got a dining table here. It's got a bunch of mirrors that gives you the illusion of space, which is very much desired in central Bangkok, where space is very scarce. You've got a living room area here. Really like the marble finishing here. Nice high quality materials. Stepping into the master bedroom here. Very nice, very elegant, yet still clean and modern looking. So let's step out to this small balcony. You've got a pretty nice view of the Bangkok cityscape there. This green space is the British Embassy, so it's pretty much guaranteed that it's going to stay green like that. You're not going to see any other condos popping up and obstructing your view. That's very nice there. Looking at the bathroom here, okay, you got a small little closet space here that's semi walk-in. Oh, no bathtub though, so that's one negative. Very simple bathroom there. But overall, Noble Ploenchit, great area, very well built, nice materials, nice view. Now, as for your Ploenchit date itinerary, I suggest you take full advantage of the fact that your condo has a direct on-ramp to the skywalk and directly to the Central Embassy Mall. There you got tons of fine dining options, a luxury cinema, and also a library co-working area on the top floor. If you want to get even more romantic, you can go next door to the gorgeously designed Park Hyatt. It has a beautiful tea room that's next to a garden rooftop area with lots of secluded places to get very intimate. If you want to take your date all the way into the evening, you've got a fantastic cocktail bar and rooftop upstairs, and with secluded booths for you to sit and enjoy each other's company. And the best thing about this date itinerary, you're still literally next door. Next, we head to Sukhumvit Soi 39 next to Phrom BTS. Here you'll find the next romantic condo on our list, the handsome and stately Diplomat 39. Wow, seriously, this place, in my opinion, really stands out. It's not often that you see a building in Bangkok inspired by 15th century Palladian architecture. To me, most attempts in Bangkok at imitating European architecture end up looking either very gaudy or very cheap. But this place does it so tastefully with a modern minimalist twist, and that's why it's one of the romantic condos on this list. And in this video, we're going to tour a 54 square meter one bedroom for 17.6 million baht, which gives it a price per square meter of 328,000 baht. And so let's have a look at a virtual tour of this space. Wow, I really love this place. At first glance, you can tell that this place is very well decorated, very nice materials. I love that contrast between the dark wood of the floors and the furniture and the off-white of the walls. And wow, this place was definitely decorated by a designer. Look at this play between the colors of the pillows, and you've got this little shell, all this designer furniture there. Very nice, very elegant. And you walk into the bathroom here, which I think is the only bathroom in the condo. Yes, it is. You've got a very nice, gorgeous bathtub there with a mirror. Very nice, spacious vanity counter there. I love the tiling there. Very elegant, yet still very understated. That's fantastic. And then you've got this large living room area there. Let's step out to the balcony. Ooh, not that much of a view, but For me, personally, I think this place is all about the interior. Very gorgeous. Let's have a look at the master bedroom there. Look at that. Just so clean. Wow. I really like the high quality wood furniture there, the counter and the closet there. Very, very nice. Now, as for your date itinerary, Phrom has a vibrant Japanese expat scene. That means the area is filled with these small hidden gems with an obsession with Japanese quality. Now, when you're on a date, in my opinion, sushi is the best cuisine to go for because it's light and it's unmessy. Unmessy is not a word. Now, if you want value sushi but still high quality, definitely head over to Isao. They make great sushi there. But if money is not an issue and you want the absolute cream of the Otoro crop, definitely head over to Sushi Masato. The chef is so in love with sushi. While you're eating, he'll give you a whole crash course on Japanese fine dining. If you want to get drunk on the best Japanese whiskey, the guys over at Salon du Japonisa definitely have some of the best Yamazaki and Hibiki in town. But if you still want a standard mall date, M Quartier is right there. It's got a ton of places to go to, lots of restaurants, and it's got a rooftop area there that has one of my favorite rooftop bars, Escape Bangkok. Very vibrant, very colorful. The DJ spins some amazing beats. For our next romantic condo in Bangkok, we head over next door to Thonglor. Now, the best way to describe these neighborhoods is if Phrom were a classy, sophisticated woman, Thonglor would be her hot IG model sister, because this area probably has more nightclubs per square meter than any area in Bangkok. And it's the place where people go to see and be seen. Now, in terms of condos, we're getting quite pricey now, but that means you're gonna get to see some crazy condos. And the one that I chose for this area is TELA Thonglor. Now, the way I look at it, the creators of TELA have an obsession for art. Whether it's the paintings in the lobby, the meticulously curated Italian furnishings that just look so darn decadent, or the condo's design theme, Canvas of Life, which from my interpretation, they set up the units to resemble art studios with lots of empty space for the artist, which is you, the buyer, to populate it with your own taste, for better or for worse. Now in this video, we're gonna tour a 111 square meter 2-bedroom going for 41 million baht. Let's have a look at what that gets you. Now, if you're paying 41 million baht, you better have a private elevator, and TELA gives you just that. After you walk out of the foyer, you're greeted with a large, spacious, and just so tastefully decorated living room. You've got a dedicated kitchen space there, separate from your living room. That's great. And look at that view. Let's step out there. Wow, that is a great view of Bangkok there. And I think the balcony connects to the bedroom as well. So let's have a look at the bedroom. Okay, pretty nice, simple bedroom there. So looking at the bathroom, it gives you a view into the bedroom so you can enjoy that lovely view while you're taking a bath. Wow, that is fantastic. Let's have a look at the other bedroom. Okay, yeah, just a small, simple bedroom. Let's see what kind of view you got. Not much of a view at all. Too bad, too bad. Let's look at the guest bathroom. Okay, very standard small bathroom, but I seriously love this living room area. It has a lot of potential. All this empty space, you can use it to entertain your guests, hold house parties. This high ceiling and this large space, you can put in a sick sound system that really takes advantage of the sound qualities of this room, and your guests can hang out outside of this at this wonderful balcony there. This place is just, makes me wish I had 41 million baht, but I don't. Oh man, this place is decadent and romantic. Now, in my opinion, Thonglor is kind of a guilty pleasure. Yes, it is superficial, but you know what? Every now and then, it feels good to flex. You can start the afternoon at the laid-back Commons Mall where you can humble brag how down-to-earth you are with your premium sweatpants and imported Siberian Husky. In the evening, you can head over to the Michelin-studded Canvas and sip on your overpriced but insanely good Malbec. If you want some unique cocktails while sitting next to some Haiso Thai people, head over to Taipioca where the DJs spin some killer beats until late at night. And finally, we arrive at one of the most decadent condos in Bangkok, which is all the way back at the Riverside area, but further south where we began. And the condo that I have in mind is the Four Seasons Private Residences. Oh, this place is absolutely out of control. All units are corner rooms, giving you that sweet Chao Phraya living experience. And when you're this rich, you don't have to worry about your neighborhood. Cause girl, you are the neighborhood. The condo is part of the bigger Chao Phraya estate that includes the Capella and Four Seasons Hotel. Yeah, when your residential compound is this ballin', your date comes to you. You've got access to world-class fine dining, all the hotel amenities, and a gorgeous waterfront garden. And the best part, you live right upstairs. So if you still can't score after this date, I think you're beyond saving, my 49-year-old virgin friend. So we're gonna have a tour of a 140 square meter 2-bedroom that's going for 75 million baht. But hey, you're pretty much living at a hotel. So stop complaining about how pricey it is and go make some money so you can finally afford this place. Okay, 3D walkthrough. Let's start with the entrance. So walking in here, oh, to the left here is, what's this? Just a little small guest bathroom there. Pretty cute. If you walk further, you're in the kitchen area with an island, and you've got a dining area there. Let's step into the center of the room there. Wow, very nice. But in my opinion, the furniture just looks a little off. Doesn't look as classy and elegant as the Diplomat or at TELA Thonglor. Now, I think if you have this much money, you can definitely afford to replace this just average looking furniture. I mean, look at this couch here. I think this looks like something I would buy. And that's not a compliment to myself. I don't know what they were doing there, but the view, look at this fantastic view. Let's click on there. Wow, so you've got the Chao Phraya River winding all the way down there into that vanishing line there. You've got a gorgeous unobstructed view of Bangkok. That's to be expected. Let's look at this here. Look at the floor plan. So, like I said, all rooms or corner rooms. So you've got a view of the Chao Phraya River on this side and this side there. Let's look at the first bedroom here. Okay, pretty nice, simple bedroom. I'm not a fan of the furnishings. I really think they could have done better, but the view redeems it. Let's step out to the balcony area there. Look at that. Wow. So you've got a panoramic view of Bangkok. Let's look at the master bedroom. Okay, I like the master bedroom. It's furnished a little bit more tastefully. It feels like you're in a Four Seasons hotel. And yeah, this view is not going to escape you. It'll follow you wherever you are. So no need to complain about not having a view. And while you're taking a bath, you can look into the bedroom and enjoy that view out there. So there you have it, my list of condos that are among the most romantic in Bangkok, from affordable to ultra luxury. And as always, I've included links to these condos in the description of this video so you can go out and check them out for yourself. Now, with any list that's based on subjective opinion, there will definitely be people that disagree with me. And if you do, and if you think you have a condo in mind that deserves to be on this list, share it in the comments so we all can see how romantic this condo is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.